Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's start your new year with a sweet little love bite for you. Uh, Happy New Year, first of all. Happy New Year to all my Aqua gang out there. Hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's Eve wherever you were in the world. And I thought I'll make this one a little bit fun. I woke up this morning. Today is Friday morning for me. It's had my New Year's last evening. So the first thing that popped into my mind was let's do a reading, which I think a lot of you would like to be knowing about. What was your partner feeling or thinking about you on New Year's Eve? Whether you guys were together, whether you guys were separated, what were their hidden innermost thoughts about you? Oh my God, this card just popped out. Aquarius. Marriage is on their mind, right? Or a commitment or something they're thinking about a marriage or to be married or something like that. So their marriage was on their mind. So I put it back because I haven't begun yet. But yes, that's the question that's going to be here for the love bite today. I hope you guys enjoy it. So, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aquarius gang and send them the messages they need to hear for this reading. Thank you. So, Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. Let's start with an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll begin. My angels, blessing, guidance, or advice for my Aqua gang, please. For Aquarius, thank you. This one. All right. Let's put this card here, Aquarius. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here is Steady Progress. Who else got this card? I think Sagittarius got this card. So, yes, maybe taking one day at a time to see what happens. But things are going to get good because it's steady progress, right? So things are going to get better, whatever you're going through. So let's see what's going on here. What was Aquarius's partner feeling or thinking about them on New Year's Eve? And be mindful, this could also go vice versa, right? This could be a reading for your cross watcher. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for keeping me motivated in 2020 to continue this channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful for all your comments, for all your likes, for all your donations to the channel. And yes, a big thank you to all of you. And thank you also for joining me here today for this brand new ride of 2021. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in Aquarius. So let's see what's going on here. I have the High Priestess in reverse, bottom of my deck. So it's imperative, I think, you guys need to tell each other something. Whatever you've been keeping in your heart, I think secrets should be revealed. Or maybe they were revealed last evening, I don't know. Let's open your cards and then we'll take some dialogue messages. 9 of Wands, 3 of Cups, 10 of Swords, the Tower, the Hierophant, 6 of Swords, 6 of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the 2 of Cups. Wow. All right, so let's take some dialogue message cards here to see if what was your partner thinking on New Year's Eve about you, or what they really wanted to say which they couldn't, or you to them. So Aquarius and their partner spirit, their innermost thoughts and feelings. Innermost thoughts and feelings. All right. Next card, next deck. Let's take a couple of more. Oops. All right, that's enough. Okay. I think of you before I sleep. I dream of you all night and wake up to think of you again. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. So there is one partner who really, really adores the other one and wants to be a part of their partner's life and go out together, meet friends together, and dream of their partner and wants to wake up with their partner. And every time they're apart, they don't like it. Your indecision is your indecision is a decision, and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So maybe one partner is not as caring or loving or giving, and the other partner is complaining that you don't make an effort towards me or you don't take action towards me. But there is love here from what I see. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. So there seems to be a decent relationship where maybe you guys want more of each other, you want to spend more time with each other, and maybe one person is a little bit quieter or doesn't give so much time to their partner, and that's becoming a complaint here, right? So somebody is always ready to reveal their emotions, wants to fight for the connection. They are afraid that if they don't celebrate together or are together all the time, maybe things can come to an end here. Maybe their partner is upset or angry with them and they know it's their fault. They fear that this commitment, they're trying to protect their commitment here from what I see. They are feeling that things are going in the wrong direction, and before that happens, they want to fight for this commitment and keep it holding on together. They want to be victorious in this relationship. They want to bring back passion into this connection again because they really love their partner. I have the Two of Cups here. Right? So there is one partner who wants to have more and more of their partner. They want to be victorious with their partner. They want to bring back the passion and excitement into this relationship. They know this is their soulmate, and they are going to do anything they can to stand strong and fight for this connection. Somebody is very afraid that every time I think their partner gets upset or angry with them, or it doesn't want to join them in a celebration or go out with them or meet their friends, they feel very defeated, very, very defeated, and they fear that, this can come to an end. And they are trying to protect it from anything. Right? So yes, they want to make steady progress in the good way. They want to be open and honest with their partner at all times, because they have a fear of losing them. They don't want things to change. They do love their partner very much. There's somebody here in this mix here, Aquarius. This could be you or this could be your partner feeling this way, that they are ready to fight for this connection. They want more of you. Okay? They love you. Simple as that. So yes, you guys could have been together, Aquarius, or at least that's how your partner wanted the evening to go, where there was or they wanted some action to be taken. They wanted to feel victorious, and both of you to share equal amount of love. Right? So good. Let me know how it went, Aquarius. This was, this is a nice reading for Aquarius today. So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.